How to fix live wallpaper not working on iPhone iOS 18.5. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app and navigate to the option Battery. Make sure you have disabled for the option Low Power Mode, as low power mode disables live wallpapers and you will notice they won't move at all. So make sure this toggle is off. After you disable for this option, now you can close this and try to set a new wallpaper. For that, swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Now, press and hold on anywhere on the screen. Click on the option Customize. Select Lock Screen. Click on this picture icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now, navigate to the Live Photo section and select any picture from there. Now, over here, you're going to find this Live option. Enable it. With that, Live Photo will be set as wallpaper. In case you are getting this kind of pop-up, motion not available, you'll need to select another live photo. The problem is with the live photo you are trying to use. Specifically, the issue is that the foreground is too close to the background, which confuses the iPhone. So, if your current live photo does not work, you'll need to take a new one with better depth. Make sure the subject in the foreground is far enough from the background. Once you have selected the picture that is suitable to set as live wallpaper, you can enable it and click on the option Done. With that, it will be set. So this is how you can easily fix live wallpaper not working on iPhone iOS 18.5. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.